that implies 630 minus 9b is equals to, so whereas right hand side quantity is of 150 minus 3b, but when I transpose divide by 7, on the other hand it will multiply the right hand side. So in this manner, so the next logical step will be of 630 minus 9b is equals to, so we have to multiply each and every term with 7. So 7 must be multiplied with 150, then later 7 with 3b. So 7 into 150 is of 150 into 7, 7 zeros is of 7 0, 7 5s is of 35, carry with 3. So 7 1s is of 7 plus 3 is of 10, that is 1050. 1050 minus 7 3s is of 21 with b, so 21b. So here this equation is consisting only one variable, that is b. So I want to write all the variables that is b on the one side of, that is on the left hand side. So here in this manner, so next logical step will be of, so here I want to transpose, so here this plus 630 over to the right hand side and then minus 21b over to the left hand side. So the next logical step will be of, so here 630, which 630 is of positive sign, when it is transposed over to the right hand side becomes minus 630, minus 21b when it is transposed over to the left hand side becomes plus 21b. So minus 21b over to the left hand side becomes plus 21b. But here, so here 630 will be transposed, but here only minus 9b will be left over on the left hand side. So minus 9b is written as it is. Then I want to transpose, so here minus 21b, because I want to write all the variables that is b on the left hand side. Minus 21b when it is transposed over to the left hand side becomes plus 21b, then that equals to constant, that is 1050 is left over on the right hand side. Then now plus 630 over to the right hand side becomes minus 630. To simplify further, so here these two are of similar terms or the like terms, and these two are of the constants, those two are of like terms. To simplify further, so here plus of minus is minus, we have to simply subtract. To simplify or to subtract 21 minus 9 is of 12b. 21 minus 9 is of 12, that is 12b. To assess the sign of 12, so we have to see the greater among 21 and 9. So 21 is greater than 9, 21 sign is of positive, 12 assessed is the sign of positive. So that is equals to 630 is of negative and 1050 is of positive, plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract 1050 minus 630. So here 1050 minus 630 by subtracting, so 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 3 is of 2, 10 minus 6 is of 4. So in this manner I will be getting 420. So here among 1050 and as well as 630, 1050 is of positive sign here, 1050 with positive and 630 with negative. So here to assess the sign of 420, so we have to see the greater among these. 1050 is greater than 630, 1050 is of positive, we will be getting the sign of 420 as positive. So in this manner we will be getting plus 420. So here 12b equals to 420, the next logical step will be of, so here when into 12 and b there is of into symbol in between, when into 2 into 12 when it is transposed to the other hand it will divide the right hand side, that is 420 divided by 12, that will be equals to b. So therefore the next logical step will be equals to, that is b equals to 420 divided by this 12. So that implies b equals to 420 divided by 12. So here let us cancel both by means of 6 table. 6 2s is of 12, then now 6 7s is of 42, then now 6 0s is of 0. So here 2 1s, 2 3s is of 2 1s and 2 3s is of 6, then now 1 is left over, that is 10, 2 5s is of 10, then that is equals to 35. So in this manner I say I got, therefore b value is of 35. So after getting the value of b, so here we have to solve for a. So here already we got a as, so a equals to 630 minus 9b divided by 7. We can substitute the value of b in this equation, that is a equals to 630 minus 9b overall divided by 7. So here by substituting b equals to 35 in this equation, that is a equals to 630 minus 9b overall divided by 7, or in other words we can substitute in fourth equation also, that is fourth equation is of 1a plus 3b equals to 150. Let us substitute the value of b in fourth equation. The fourth equation is of a plus 3b equals to 150. So here put b is equals to 35, this value in equation number that is 4. So equation number 4 is of 1a plus 3b is equals to 150. So now, so here that implies, say 1a written as it is plus 3 into b value is of 35, then that is equals to 150. So here I have substituted, so here b as 35. So that implies 1a is nothing but a plus 3 into 35, 35 threes. So here 35 threes is of 35 into 3. So 3 5s is of 15 carry with 1, 3 threes is of 9 plus 1 is of 10, 105 plus 105 is equals to 150. So that implies, so I am going to transpose this, I mean plus 105 over to the right hand side in order to get the value of a. So here next logical step will be of a is equals to right hand side quantities of 150. When plus 105 is transposed over to the right hand side, plus 105 becomes minus 105. So here in this manner that implies, so here I got this logical step by transposing. By transposing this LHS term, that is plus 105. So LHS term over to RHS. So in this manner, so next logical step will be of a equals to, so 105 is of negative, 150 is of positive, plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract greater minus least, that is 150 minus 105. From 150 we have to subtract 105. So here 150 is of positive, 150 with positive and 105 with negative. So plus of minus is minus, let us subtract. So from here let us borrow 1. So here 10 minus 5 is of 5. So here it becomes 4. So 4 minus 0 is of 4. 1 minus 1 is of 0. We will be getting it as 45. So here 45, but to assess the sign, we have to see the greater one among these two, 150 and as well as 105. 150 is greater than 105. 150 is of positive. So it assesses the sign of positive. So here in this manner, so I got, therefore a value is of 45. So here b is of 35 and a is of 45. So here hence the solution set is of. So here hence the solution set is a comma b. So here a comma b, which is equals to a is of 45 and b is of 35. So now let us verify. So your verification starts now. So in our verification we have to substitute this ordered pair which we got, that is 45 comma 35. So here put the ordered pair, that is 45 comma 35. So here in which a value is of 45 and b is of 35 in any one of the equations. So here we got from equation number 4, we got the value of a. From equation number 4, I want to substitute in equation number 1. So equation number 1 as per the problem is of 7a plus 9b equals to 630. So now in equation number 1, so equation number 1 as per the problem is of 7a plus 9b is equals to 630, which is nothing but our equation number 1. So in this equation I am going to substitute the values of a as 45 at A equals to 45 and B is equals to 35 in this present equation, that is equation number 1. Then now the next logical step will be of 7 into A is of 45 plus 9 into B is of 35, so equals to 630. So that implies 7 into 45, so here 7 5s is of 35, carry 3, 7 4s 28, 28 plus 3 is of 31, plus 9 into 35, 9 5s is of 45, carry 4, so 9 3s is of 27, 27 plus 4 is of 31 again, so that is equals to 630. So by simplifying further, 315 plus 315 is nothing but 630 by adding up these two, because both are of positives. So we will get the positive 630, then that is equals to 630 on the other hand. This condition is true because 630 is on LHS and 630 is on the RHS, both are of equal, so the condition is of true condition. So here hence it is verified. Once it is verified, so we can find out the value of, as per the problem which is given for us, we can find out the value of m. So we have to find out m value. So we have to find out m value if, as per the problem, the condition is if A is equals to 2m plus b, find m if A equals to 2m plus b. So here, so A is of, put A is equals to 45 and B is equals to 35 in the given equation. Then now that implies, so A is of 45, then that is equals to 2 into m, 2m plus B is of 35. That implies, so here 45 is on the left hand side, when I transpose plus 35, that is the constant, over to the left hand side, having one more constant, that is 45. So I will be getting, so plus 35, when it is transposed over to the left hand side, becomes minus 35, then that is equals to just 2m is left over. That implies 2m which is on the right hand side, by shuffling LHS and RHS at a time, LHS over to RHS and RHS over to LHS, 2m on the left hand side, then that is equals to, by simplifying further here, 35 is of negative and 45 is of positive. So here totally RHS I have transposed over to the LHS, then total LHS I am going to transpose over to the RHS. By shuffling LHS and RHS both at a time, there won't be any sort of changes in their signs. So plus of minus is minus, so we can subtract 45 minus 35 is of 10. To assess the sign of this 10, among 35 and 45, 45 is greater, its sign is of positive. So therefore 10 assess the sign of positive. So in this manner I got 2m equals to 10 as the logical step. So here that implies 2m is equals to 10. So that implies I want to find out the value of m. So but m is multiplied with 2. So in order to find out the value of m, so here into 2, when I transpose into 2 over to the right hand side, it will divide. So here I got this logical step by transposing LHS term, that is into 2. So here LHS term over to RHS. So here by transposing over to the RHS, so when it is of into 2 on the left hand side, so when it comes over to the right hand side, it will divide the right hand side, that is 10 divided by 2 by further simplification. So here 2 1s in the denominator and 2 5s in the numerator. So in this manner I got so m is equals to 5 divided by 1 is nothing but 5. So in this manner I got the value of m as 5.